Hello Peeps, she's back. Today I'm making something that's going to make your taste buds tingle with delight. It's a sweet treat that has a little bit of nuttiness to it. I hope you're all keeping safe and well. It's been a pretty challenging time here in Oz. Mental health has been a key issue for me. When I started cooking for Peeps last year, it was more for an outlet to be quirky and creative in the kitchen. I started out with 5 or 6 followers, many family members, and today I've grown my followers into more than what I could have expected. For that, I am extremely grateful and humbled to all of you who follow me and support me. My goal was to spread love and joy to anyone that wanted to watch and just needed a laugh. I am not a professional chef, but I like to try anything that tickles my taste buds, and I hope they tickle yours too. This is the first time I've tried making them like this, so fingers crossed they'll work okay. Now the other thing, if you want to get the actual recipe, you can find the peanut brownie recipe in the Edmonds cookbook, which is my favourite book for cooking everything. And that recipe can be found on page 39, depending on which series of Edmonds cookbook that you have. Alrighty. So basically all I'm doing, I've got Mama Gun's here at the ready. She's all turned on. And we're going to start adding all the mixture in. And just follow it as per what's on the back of the box. So you'll see what you need. And I've got the Devil's Food chocolate cake. So we're just going to pop the dry mixture in to the bowl. Then we're going to add 3 eggs. Try not to put the shell in because they don't go well in cakes and things. Then we're going to add 1/3 a cup of vegetable oil. You can also add butter, but I'm using the vegetable oil for this cake. Then we're going to add a cup of Nibble Nobbies nuts by Nobbies, and they're the salted peanuts. So we'll add that into the mixture. And then we'll turn Mama Guns on. And mix it all together. All right, that looks great. That mixture looks very good. So with peanut brownies, you can actually make them in a biscuit form, and that would probably be the style of baking you'd do from the Edmonds cookbook recipe. But because I'm using a Betty Crocker's cake mix, this one's probably going to turn out more like a slab. So I've just got my baking paper, and I'm going to add the mixture into this little tin. It's like a slice tin. Beautiful. So then we just give that a bit of a shimmy around. If you like your chocolate like me, you can do the it's good. Do you like a taste? So I'm just going to pop this in the oven now. I've got the oven on about 160. And I'll pop that in for about 30 to 40 minutes. So just watch your oven depending on how it cooks, because sometimes it can burn if you don't watch it. That's happened to me a few times. So the time has just gone off. We're now going to take out the peanut brownie and we'll let it sit and cool. Here it is, Peeps. It's come out of the oven, and now I'm going to use the chocolate icing mix that comes with the Betty Crocker. So we're going to squeeze this out of the little satchel, and you've just got to sort of roll it as you're getting it out. Now it does look like a bit of a blob, but don't worry, it's all in the taste. It's all in the taste. So now that I've got the icing out of the little packet, I'm just going to use my little spreading knife, and we're going to layer that evenly over the top of the brownie. These little knives are great. You can get them at, actually Big W sell them. Big W have a really good selection of baking ware, and you can get something like that at Big W, probably Target, even Kmart, one of those. You don't need to pay top dollar for these types of things. It's really just a matter of hunting around, but look at that. That looks beautiful, Peeps. And then what we'll do is we'll put it onto a nice serving tray. Oh, look at that. Perfect. So here it is, the Peeps chocolate brownie made with love and help from our friends Betty Crocker. And I'm just going to cut. Oh my goodness, it is so moist. Look at that. Look at that, Peeps. That's what she looks like inside. Moist, chocolatey, luscious and nutty. Here you have it, Peeps. My peanut. She can't get it out. Here you have it, Peeps. My chocolate nutty brownie with a little help from my friend Betty Crocker. If you'd like to find out how to make this special treat, you can find the recipe on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. Before I go, I would like to dedicate this show to Uncle Warren Moss. He recently passed away and was my #1 Peeps fan. He will be sadly missed by everyone that knew him. I hope I've been able to bring a little bit of love and joy and laughter into your day. So until next time, stay safe. Thanks for watching.